Adria?
Yes.
Adria, what is your expectation?
To find out what I'm here, why I'm on this earth for. What is my point? What's my reason that the Almighty put me on this earth for? What am I giving back? What's my job?
It is the most beautiful question we all should ask and answer. That why we are on the earth. That I, after all, who is this I? What is this earth? And then what is the relationship between the two? These are the three questions dealt deeply, philosophically, practically, in the 6,000 years old yoga and the Tantra tradition. The way the yoga is understood here is not what yoga is. We say it is the science of consciousness. It is the science of self-discovery. So when you discover yourself, you awaken to the true nature and the purpose becomes clear. Can you do it only in one session, Adria?
I don't think so.
So you asked me a very big question, but you came only for 60 minutes. Ask yourself, are you justifying your question? But we will do. What is your expectation? You came a year ago and did you remember me or you just forgot and you said, okay, come on, let's attend this class of beer guy and...
No, I remembered you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Do you remember your piece?
Yes, but I've gotten away from it, so I want to come back here, and I guess I need more guidance going within. I've gotten away from it. I can't. It's hard to do by myself.
It's a hard, yes. I think that's a good realization that sometimes what we think, and then we will start, that sometimes we think we read, we intellectually understand, and the subconscious, keep a smile on the face, Adria, that is...
You can concentrate and smile.
That's my answer.
I'm not even realizing I am.
If it is not, that's my answer. Intellectually, we feel as if we have understood. We Google something. Oh, I know. I have understood what peace is. And when we close our tablet or a computer, you know what happens. So what yoga and the Tantra tradition says? Reason, practice. Rationalization, intellectual understanding must follow the practice. Until the practice awakens you the wisdom in you that takes you away from the stress and helps you to move into peace and calmness. That is the entire journey.
All right, so we're done. Let's go.
I like it. That is. But we will begin with some of the practices, very small practices that you can carry home. I'm not asking that you must come every week with me, but I'm giving you those practices. But yes, if you are coming regularly, that helps you to understand deeper. But still, the first practice, all the practices are giving away. So, how long and how deeply you take it? Let us see. Close your eyes. Let us do the first practice of self-awareness. Close your eyes. Put your right hand on the chest Look deep inside the forehead in the space and start breathing quick and fast, breathing into the chest. Continue 1 minute. 1 minute, continue please. The head and the spine remain straight and you do quick and fast breathing. The rib cage moves in and out, expands and contracts. You may feel the lightness in the head. You came with a big question. We will be doing big things only in 60 minutes. And one of the biggest things that you have to continue breathing quick and fast for 1 minute. Come what may. The mind will say, no, I feel tired. Feel lightness in the head. Let it be. You should be ready to do little bigger things. Quick, fast, continue 1 minute. I'm looking at the stopwatch. And stop it now. Fold both your hands. Bring them in front of the rib cage. Eyes remain closed. Take a deep breath into the belly and the chest. Through the nose while breathing out, make the humming sound to influence the brain. Raise your level of awareness, but do it with a smile on the face. Just do the fourth step of the self-awareness, then we will share the experiences. Please continue. Louder, deeper and longer. Louder, deeper and longer humming sound. Just do it instead of questioning what will happen. We are moving into the practice first before we question. Louder, continue please. That's really good. It's happening. One more time. And stop it. Eyes remain closed. Bring the hands down on your thighs. Look deep inside the forehead, into the space. There is some withdrawal of the mind inside. You may experience as if you are away from the external world. Remember that the big questions like the Audrey asked today are asked when the mind is within. When the mind begins living within. consciously. So the very first step is to move the mind within, learn how to do it, and then you ask the question, you will surely get the answer. So now what we do, we contemplate here, looking deep inside the forehead in the space, moving from the ignorance to the wisdom leads me to the peace, harmony, and happiness in life. What is ignorance? I don't know about the cosmos, I don't know myself. I don't know why I move into the stress and anxiety, even though I intellectually explain it. This is ignorance. What is wisdom? I know my true nature. When I know my true nature, I manifest into peace, harmony, and happiness. That is the journey of yoga and the Tantra tradition. And now the last step, once we simply contemplate. Why we contemplate? We never think in this way. So we need a contemplation, a regular, until one day you get up in the morning, your mind declares, peace is my essential nature. How long it will take? Based on you. Depends on you. The last step, the fourth step, is the breath awareness. Look at the breath, feel the breath. No change in the rate and the rhythm of the breath. The breath goes in and comes out. Do nothing. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Open your eyes. Calm. How do you feel? Good? Calm? I forgot your name. Kim. Oh, yes. Audrey, how do you feel?
Good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
So within 8 to 9 minutes, if you experience little calmness, only in calmness, if you ask this question which you asked me, you may get an answer. But if you're asking question for the sake of asking, then Google is the best platform. Google is Google or Bing, or Yahoo. So let us start. We go a little deeper into taking care of this energy pattern to release those little stress. This is okay, this is not your bag. So eyes are open, put your right hand on the chest, eyes are open with a smile on the face. Start breathing, Kim. 25. Quicken the fast breath into the chest. Eyes open, don't shy. We shy of smiling. We don't shy of being angry. Done. Put your hand. Check your level of awareness. That are you able to inhale? The belly comes out, exhale, belly goes in. Quick and fast. Yes, you have to change. No movement here, only movement here. That demands self-awareness. It will happen. It will take some sessions. Leave this, and now put your right hand on the top of the head and press hard, move in a circle. Move in a circle, press hard, don't worry, press hard. It won't break. We have the hardest skull after the bulldog, so it is not easily, it cannot be broken by pressure. Now press both the sides of the skull just above the ears, and press and move in a circle with a smile on the face. Yeah. Okay, difficult to smile? Press, move in a circle. Why? We are stimulating the energy pathways that is present here to balance. And same pressure should be given on your ears. Press, move in a circle. And leave this. Why we are doing this? We have more than 72,000 energy pathways, so we stimulate those energy pathways. Press with the index finger, the lower bones. Press, slide it to the other side of the bone. Move, slide, other side of the bone. Move, slide, the other side of the bone. From inside to outside 5 times with a smile on the face. And now with upper bones of the eyes with your thumb, the elbows parallel. Press, slide it to the other side of the bone. Yeah, they might be thinking, I'm not getting the answer, who am I? But we have started the journey. You want to go to a beach, and you start from here. You don't see the beach here, even after 5 miles. And then that is the way we have to move the journey. Leave this. And now the middle finger and the thumb goes to the corner. The eyes in pressing, moving in a circle. We are stimulating. We are helping the energy pathways to distribute this energy equally. We have more than 72,000 energy pathways. Leave this. Bring your hands down. Raise both your eyeballs up. Constant gazing at the middle of the eyebrows. Eyebrows with a smile on the face. Ajay, why you forget smiling? I'm only asking you for 60 minutes. Even your closed ones never say that you smile as many times as I say in 60 minutes. So look at gazing at the tip of the nose. There are 2 centers. Do you agree with me that even your closed ones never say you to smile as many times as I say in 60 minutes? Do you agree that? Then who is closer to you? Look at that. Turn both your eyeballs to the right side and try to look at the right ear. I have a KM student in Princeton, and turn both your eyeballs to the left side. Look at the left ear. So the head remains straight and you move your eyeballs. Why we are doing it? There are a lot of things to be told, and that I follow in different sessions. As long as these eyes remain open, they spend 80% of our life energy. And if we become more and more aware of these eyes as a sense organ, and also that spends the energy, we can prevent. Close your eyes and put both your palms on your eyes for not only refreshing your eyes, but also saving that pranic energy. Leave this and bring your hands down. 4 more practices. Then we will start answering your question practically. Okay. So the spine is straight. Smile again on the face. Why you shy of smiling, Kim? You should be shying of anger. Do you become angry?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. So instantly, the moment before you become angry, just become shy. So you will not smile. You will not become angry.
Okay.
So keep your head straight, move your head back. Feel the pressure. Press hard so that you press the upper bone, and eyes are open, smile on the face, start breathing quick and fast into the chest, 25 breaths. Nancy, do it faster. Where are you? Yes, you have been doing it so good, and Boris is doing good. Leave this. The head goes down. Feel the stretching at the back of the neck and start breathing quick and fast. Don't forget yourself. You forget me, it's good, but don't forget. You have been doing so good. Done, and the head is straight. Move your head right side. Feel the pressure and start breathing quick and fast. 25 breaths. We're just releasing the energy from where? From unconsciousness. Why from unconsciousness? That prevents us to give us a right answer of the who we are. And leave this and move the head on the left side. So start breathing quick and fast. And done 3 minutes of the practice, and then we will do the Ram practice in order to explore what. Make the fist of both your hand. We need only 3 minutes. You go to the gym, Audrey?
Yes.
Okay. How long you spend?
Today, an hour and a half.
Hour and a half. Then she can do for even 5 minutes, Nancy, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
But let us do it for only 3 minutes. So let us start.
Depends on the day.
You throw the arms while inhaling deeply. Quick and faster. 1 minute. Long breath through the nose. That's good. Nancy, did you get that? Like Nancy came, yes. I always tell the younger one is who can do 3 minutes. Not by physical age. Okay, it's a challenge to you. Long, breathe, inhale. The noise should come. Noise through the arms. Yes, it's a force. Force. Leave this, and now the second, bring the hands in front. Inhale. Fast. Fast. You hear the noise of the Boris, the breathing, the Nancy. That's how you need to do it. Second minute is this. Through the arms fully, it's totally straight. You hit me in the air, yes, and then go back. Yes. But do it with a smile on the face. Ade, where are you? Don't tell me you are focused. You can still be focused and do. One and a half hour, yes. Next time we will do while standing. And then second minute is done, and the third minute, interlock all the fingers. The noisy breath, long and the hissing breath. Yes, third minute is this. And then we will work on why we are here. Yes, why you are here with me. Continue. Kim, who is the youngest, has to do with a smile on the face. Yes, I need that. Yes, I know. That is why we are doing. Within 3 minutes, those aerobic. This is good. Leave this and done. Kim felt that. Lie down on the back. Close your eyes. Lie down on the... Huh?
Lightheaded.
You liked it?
Lightheaded.
Lightheaded, yes. You see that? You do 1.5 hour, you don't feel that impact. Within 3 minutes, close your eyes, put your hands on the floor, facing up, eyes are closed. I told you in the beginning that if we ask this question, who we are, to anyone outside, or we want to search from the Google and Bing, we will never find the answer. Why? That I is inside you, not outside. You have to ask that. And that is why we are going inside. Let us, simple practices are more challenging. If I say be present on the head and the neck, and you start thinking, you will miss it. And when I say we all are present here in the studio, you need not to think. Same thing, be present on the head and the neck. When you present on the head and the neck, you are aware of the space and the sensation in the head and the neck. And you also experience the stillness in the head and the neck. You also experience the sensation and the stillness on the head and the neck. Be present on the right arm. You are present on the right arm. So you are doing nothing to the right arm. But when you do nothing to the right arm, you become aware of the space and the sensation and the stillness in the right arm. You may experience sensation, vision, color, tingling, freezing of the body. Be with me. You are in safe hands. Experience. Now be present on the left arm. You are the fresher, so that's why I'm trying to make the things easy, but we still do the same deeper practice. Be present on the left arm, so there is a space and there is a sensation. You need not to think. Mind goes closer. Now be present with the left arm. I can even say, then move the mind on the left arm, but don't move. Yes, that is the key. The mind moves the body, means the mind goes out. You miss it. It comes by practice. So you experience the stillness in the left arm also. Be present on the rib cage. Means sensation in the space and the stillness. Be present on the belly. So when we are present on the belly, when you are present in the store, you don't move the store. Yes, you are present on the belly. Means your mind becomes aware. Be present with the belly. You experience the stillness there. Be present on the right leg, from the toes to the right side of the waist. Am I asking you to think? No, my friend. I'm simply saying be present on the right leg, and when you are there, you feel the space and the sensation. Don't you feel the space and the sensation when I say be present here? you are present with me, your mind instantly becomes aware of the space between the two, and you feel not only yourself but me too. Same thing. No need to think. Be present on the left leg, the space and the sensation, and the stillness. I told you before, you may undergo variety of experiences, tingling sensation, numbness, freezing. Don't worry about it. Be present on the body from the top of the head to the toes. The space, the sensation, and also the stillness now you experience. In that state, look deep inside the body, or if I say be present inside the body, from the top of the head to the toes. And you may become aware of the inner space, darkness inside, in the state of sensation, in the stillness outside, being aware of the space inside. From inside you look at the breath. Do not change the rate and the rhythm of the breath. The breath goes in and comes out. You feel the sensation and you do not change the rate and the rhythm of the breath. Just know that this breath is like Route 9 South and Route 9 North. The two-way traffic. Can you change the highways? No. Same thing. You can only become aware, you can only see the highway. But the breath is now, it's a dynamic highway. When the breath goes in, drop on that highway one mantra. What is that mantra? Ram. When the breath comes out, drop Ram. But do not change the rate and the rhythm of the breath. The breath continues to flow naturally. On that highway, when it goes in, you know it, you drop Ram. When the breath comes out, you know it, drop Ram. Again it goes in Ram, comes out Ram. But maintain your awareness of the sensation and the stillness in the body. Natural flow of the breath, no change. Don't ever think why we are dropping Ram. Just do the practice. On the highway of the breath, one car is running Ram. One car is running on the north and the south. The moment the body moves, it simply means the mind has come outside. It happens. You instantly become aware of the sensation in the stillness, and now drop to Ram. The breath is the same, goes in naturally. You drop Ram Ram, breath comes out naturally, no change. Ram Ram goes in, Ram Ram comes out, Ram Ram. In that state of stillness and the calmness, maybe the tingling sensation in the body, and they indicate good, that your mind is going deeper. You are in safe hands. Even if you fall into unconscious sleep, you hear me. Become aware of the breath in the state of stillness in the body, and continue dropping the two mantra with every breath. Ram Ram, Ram Ram, Ram Ram, Ram Ram. You may undergo a variety of experiences that are not usually common, and that may bring the fear. Don't worry. You are going in search of yourself, the purpose of your existence. You have to stake everything that belongs to the mind. In that state of the sensation and the stillness, the natural flow of the breath, when it goes in now, drop 3 Ram. The breath goes in, no change in that. Ram Ram Ram, breath comes out, Ram Ram Ram, as if the breath is the highway. 3 cars running on either side, and that car is Ram. Ram Ram Ram. mentally, it's a recognition. Ram, 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 on the breath going in, and the recognition of Ram, Ram, Ram on the breath. And the recognition doesn't take any time. It is beyond time. So even if your mind will claim, no, I cannot do 3 Ram on one breath, is the ignorance. But continue doing it in that state. You may even feel some coolness, but that coolness is more because of the withdrawal of the mind. Continue doing Ram, Ram, Ram. The thought may come and you return to Ram, Ram, Ram. Now we drop to Ram, we return with every breath going in, with every breath coming out. Breath, don't change. Body, don't change. Let it remain in the state of the sensation and the stillness, inner awareness. The mind is looking within. To Ram, with every breath coming in, going out. Thought comes, no issue, you start again. Sometime we fall into unconscious sleep, no issue, you hear me and start again. Dropping to Ram from higher to lower brings conscious experiences of inner calmness, peace and joy too. You need simply maintain an awareness. I will not even say feel calm and happy. No. Why? Because it is already there. Now one Ram breath goes in, you only say Ram. Breath comes out, you only say Ram. In the state of awareness of the body, which is still, you may feel the sensations there. No change in the rate, in the rhythm of the breath. But now you discover the same breath is little, appears to be longer, as if there is a lot of space on the breath, saying one Ram only, and that space is the inner consciousness. That will give you the answer of who am I. And doing nothing, my friends, doing nothing is the most beautiful state. Not only it is the mindfulness. You do nothing, you are simply aware. The mind has no intent. You don't invite anything to be done through the mind. Even if the thoughts are there, let it be. You feel the sensation in the body, let it be. The mind becomes aware of the breath going in and out, let it be. The mind is empty of its intent to do anything. And you continue to enjoy this state. That is the key of doing nothing, mindfulness. In that state, if it is extended, you get an answer as a revelation from deep inside. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind or your awareness on the right hand. Bring your awareness on the left hand. Gently, slowly raise both your hands. Put it on your eyes. Cover the eyes with both your palms. Open the eyes inside and know your experiences. We will share what happened, what is your experience. And if there is any issue, I will address it. Bring the hands down and sit up. Boris, how are you?
Wonderful.
Yeah. Audrey, how are you?
Very good.
Good?
You're-
What is good? I'm good, you're good, practice is good. Empty?
Empty.
You are done. You will get an answer. Remain empty for about a week.
Okay.
If it is not, then you have to come to me to learn those practices. It's a long journey. The mind is already exposed outside so much that it forgets itself. And in that forgetfulness, then it goes to Google and Bing to search, who am I? No. So these practices, the principles, helps you to withdraw the mind from outside to the inside to know who am I. When you know who am I, then you also know the purpose. Kim, how are you?
Okay. I feel a little chilly, but I'm good.
When the mind withdraws within, then you feel the chilly. The temperature was the same from the beginning.
I know.
Feel calm, good.
I'm calm. Thoughts were coming in, but I was letting them go.
Let him go. So you have to remain calm from now onward.
Yes.
Yeah?
I need to come more.
Need to come more? Nancy? Good. So, any question? Audrey? What is the purpose of life? We'll go slowly, but first go inside. Discover that inner peace and the calmness, and see that whether that inner calm and the peace remains all the time. When it remains all the time, you have achieved the first step. Smile on the face. That's all for today. Thank you very much. You become serious,